What's up, guys? More Medic One here, and today I'm going to show you a cool shop hack using a used valve stem. So guys, most of my golf carts that I do battery swaps on now, we are getting away from the flooded lead acid battery and we're going to a gel battery. These are way far superior and they carry a much larger amp hour capacity, and I'm just having super good luck out of these full river batteries. However, the stock battery charger for this cart is for flooded lead acid batteries, and if you try to use the factory charger, you're going to damage these batteries. And this charger has a little brain on the back here, some little module that senses the battery voltage, and it sends the signal back up to the charge port up here. However, to do a battery charger that has its own little brain, you have to cut the wire from the port here, and then we're going to make a charge wire through a grommet here, and we're going to go to the battery straight to the negative. So basically this little brain switches the negative on and off for the other style battery. So this is going to be not used anymore, so we're just going straight to the battery with a negative sensor wire. So to get down to the meat and potatoes of this video, I'm going to show you how to use a valve core or a valve stem to make an awesome frame grommet for your wire to go through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a 1/2-inch hole wherever you want that to exit. Go ahead and pop your valve core through. Just take you a pair of pliers, pull it on through the hole. Just remove your valve core, run your wire right on through. It's a good snug fit. Just pull it on through. Drill you a small hole in the valve cap and feed the wire right through that. And then tighten up your valve core or your valve stem onto the valve cap. You have a awesome waterproof wire through a firewall or the frame of a vehicle or equipment that you're working on. Guys, I've used this method for years and it just works and works great. Alright, we got our charging wire hooked up, and I didn't have a black primary wire that size, and this shouldn't be a problem because they use red battery cables on negative on golf carts all the time. I just didn't have any black cable, and that's the only reason I used red, because it was the thicker, better, heavier wire. We've got the charging cable hooked up to the negative on the battery. We've got it run through our valve core grommet, and now when we hook up the battery charger, we are good to go. She's a working. It goes through its little diagnostic. Starts putting amps in. And I've got it set to 20 amps, and it's going to peg out, and it's going to fluctuate between 19, 20, and it'll just eventually start working its way down to 0 amps, and then it will be completely charged up. Guys, I love these battery chargers. These battery chargers are great for anything from a single 12-volt battery up to banks of batteries like this. This is actually 48 volts, so you've got 6 8-volt batteries. But this battery charger, you can program it to charge AGM, gel, flooded lead acid. All you have to do is plug in the little, so there's a little Wi-Fi adapter that you plug into this port right here. And you can program this battery charger to do anything. I may do a separate video on this battery charger. Comment below if you want a more detailed video on this style of battery charger. Alrighty guys, hey, if this little garage hack helped you out, please give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. And while you're there, go ahead and click that bell so that you will get all my new videos. Y'all have a good Friday. More Medic 1.